Good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. Hey, what's up, guys? Eric here at DGDC Cycling. And it is early in the morning. Oh my goodness, it's like 4:45. I'm already 15 minutes late. My goal was to try to be out the door at 4:30, but that didn't happen. I pretty much woke up at 4:30. Ay, ay, ay. Anyways, come join me today as we head downtown to the 6, take a couple of pictures, get a nice little morning ride in, and hopefully we can get home in time by 8 o'clock. It's gonna be tight because, like I said, I'm already late. I'm already running behind. All right, let's go, let's go, let's go. As expected, dairy is very quiet this morning. Let's see how fast we can get downtown. 4:49 right now. Time is on, time is on, time is on. We just cruising and flying right now. People must think I am absolutely buck wild being out here at 5 in the morning. But you know how it goes. You do what you gotta do. If you don't do it, then you lose it, and then I get no ride. That's the dad life, baby. Get out while they're still sleeping, and get home while they're awake. Gotta wake them legs up. Gotta wake myself up, man. I am still half asleep. Just dead. I own the streets. Woo! Yeah, I'm crazy. Oh, it got chilly, it got chilly. Coming out of that tunnel. There are 2 dudes in that bus shelter. Why? Don't know. Not sure a bus is coming at 5 in the morning. All right, we're gonna cut through this little industrial area here in Meadowvale and then head over towards the airport, maybe catch a plane or 2, and then by then we should be in Etobicoke, otherwise known as Toronto proper, and then we will, excuse me, and then we'll shuffle down Royal York to get to the lake, and then downtown T-Dot, get a nice little photo in, and then start boogieing and making our way back home after that. Should be good. Hopefully we can get some good pictures, maybe see a good sunrise, and like I said, catch a plane or 2 taking off in the morning. Nice and peaceful. RBC. Man, I just put some fresh drip wax, but it sounds like it wore out already and I just got started. Oh well. We're gonna be waxing soon, I think. I finally think we are gonna jump off the deep end and try some waxing. We jumped off the deep end and tried tubeless and love it, so pretty confident I'm gonna love waxing too. Just the whole process. All right, we are almost through this little industrial area. We're gonna jump into Old Meadowvale, Old Dairy, and then come out the other side behind Heartland area. Just nobody on the road. Not a soul. We don't want to stop. We got to keep moving, 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 baby. Tracks, tracks. Left turn coming, left turn, left turn, left turn. All right, smell you later. Financial Drive, Meadowvale area. Oh yeah, look at this. Just an empty road, couple of street lights. Pure bliss, baby, pure bliss. Excuse me while I Instagram. All right, that's it. Credit Valley Conservation. I should see if it's worth taking the kiddos here. Excuse me. Nighttime bridge, nighttime bridge. Can you guys see? Hold on. There's the bright lights, baby. This is old Meadowvale, old dairy. Like I said in a previous video, it's like being in the country, in the city. It's crazy. This little street just feels like I'm in a different world, not Mississauga. But that's probably the charm. I'll probably turn the lights back down, not waste my battery. A little dip. I don't want hills today, man. Approaching Mavis. Behind Heartland now. On the other side of the 401. Gonna sneak through Courtney Park. Industrial area. And then we'll be at the airport. See some airplanes landing. Let's go, let's go, let's go. And then after the airport, like I said, we boogie south towards the lake. 5:05, still dark. No sun yet. McLaughlin. Car. All right, Courtney Park is next. Highway 10. Man, I still can't believe I almost completely slept through my alarm. Like, absolutely destroyed it. I don't even remember hitting snooze. I had it set for 4:10. And when I woke up and looked at my phone, it was 4:27. Ay, ay, ay. Hopefully we can still get our full ride in. Hopefully we're not going too hard out the gate. What's up with the random cars out on the streets at 5 in the morning, man? Approaching Highway 10 here in Ontario. Ontario's worst street ever because they've been trying to put an LRT here for what feels like 20,000 years. Oh man, I had a green light and I didn't go. Dummy. Of course there's a car. Courtney Park, Cineplex Odeon. Back in my day, yeah, that's right, that's how old I am. Back in my day, this used to be an AMC. Eric used to hang out here back in the day with paper tickets. Haven't been to the movies in a long time, man. Long time. All right, let's keep moving forward. Back into some more industrial warehouses type of area. Lots of them around here. I mean, there is a major international airport right here. That's probably why. Damn auto sprinklers, man. Water the grass, not the road. Cruising, baby, just cruising. Approaching, I believe, Kennedy's. If you know, you know. And if you know, I know you're from here. Green, baby, let's go. All right, 410 is next. Let's get up and over the 410. And then we should be very, very close to the airport. Might be a little too early for plane action. Oh, what a crispy morning. Love it. Love it. You can see it starting to get a little light out there on the horizon. 410, baby, 410. Yeah, baby. Riding bikes all day, every day. I don't care what time it is. You gotta get out, get up and go, baby. And if you don't, guarantee you're gonna regret it in the morning. I almost regretted it. I almost decided to sleep in, but I said, Fuck that bullshit. Get your ass out of bed, Eric, and go ride your bike, or you're gonna be a salty son of a bitch for the rest of the day to your family, and they don't deserve that. Truck! Eric's coming, come on, turn green, baby. Eric's coming. It looks green to me. You can see the light starting to peek out. All right, rolling up to Dixie, I think. Come on, baby, turn green for Eric. Not looking good. This one's a little too major to blow right through. Too many witnesses. Nothing, eh? Nothing. Oh, someone just got pulled over. Oh, triple O's, baby. Triple O's. That's a pretty damn good burger joint, I'm not gonna lie. From the West Coast, I believe. Didn't know I had one. Actually, I kind of knew I had one in my neighborhood, but I didn't know exactly where it was. But now I do. I should have made my route the other way to get some triple O's. That one's from my friend Nick. Nicky. Triple O's, baby, triple O's. What a beautiful morning, man. What a beautiful morning. Mwah! Chef's kiss, baby. All right, we should be approaching something soon. Let me see, let me check the map. Yeah, we're gonna be hitting some trails. I believe it's the Etobicoke Creek Trail. Correct me if I'm wrong. But we'll use it to just scoot across. We should be approaching the airport now. I can see some airport buildings straight ahead. Okay, let's see. How can I get into Etobicoke Creek here? All right. Need our light. There's the control tower over there. You guys see that? The control tower? That's Pearson, YYZ, baby. Toronto International Airport, even though it's located in Mississauga. Bridge. This is cool. No, it might be a little too early for airplanes, man. Nobody's coming in yet, nobody's taking off. Look at that, Pearson, baby. Hold on, can you see it? Can you see it with the lights? Toronto Pearson International Airport. Damn, look how good this light is. I think I need to hop a little guardrail though and get on the road. All right, it's right here I need to get to, so. Perfect. Definitely tripped him out. Airplanes would be right above us if they were landing or taking off. I don't see nothing. I don't see no lights in the sky. That kind of sucks, but got here a little too early. We got the 401 to the right, airport to the left. I think it's just a teeny tiny bit too early for planes. Oh, that's too bad. I really wanted to see some planes. There's Pearson, almost to the other end of the airport here. And then we will be in Etobicoke, airport infrastructure all around here. Oh, it smells like food. It smells like literally the pasta and chicken that goes into your airplane tray meal. Honestly, no joke. That's exactly what it smells like right there. Kind of hilarious. I guess that's where they make all the meals. All right, making a right on Renforth. Time to start heading south towards the lake and downtown. 401. Worst highway in the world. Bar none, no joke, no competition at all. 400 series highways are absolute trash. I'm a bus. I'm still telling you, man, bike lanes here would just be spectacular. All right, we are now in Etobicoke, Edabaki, also known as the Six, Toronto, the East Side, East End. No, sorry, I apologize. The West Side, West End, Ford Town. All right, let's start making our way south. These streets should still be nice and quiet this morning. Toronto is a very nice place to ride a bike at 5:37 in the morning. Ain't getting run over by nobody. All right, we're about 25 kilometers into the ride, 51 minutes. Already got through Mississauga, in Etobicoke, and we're already heading southwards towards the lake. We're about to make a left, head a little bit more east, and then I think we're gonna eventually hit Royal York. And then once we hit Royal York, we're gonna boogie all the way down to Queensway, across, and then to the Martin Goodman Trail, baby. Rathburn, Rathburn, Rathburn. Still no sun yet, man. It is getting lighter, but I don't see no sun. The West Mall, hot and ready, Little Caesars. Up and over the 427. 427. Glad I ain't driving no stupid car right now. But it's Monday tomorrow, which means I gotta go to the stupid office. But you know I'm bringing the bike. You know I'm bringing the bike. Bike lanes are back. Dude over there is watering his lawn. 5:43. Come on, baby. Change, 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 change. Martin Grove. Yeah, baby. Little bump, little bump. Oh yeah, Kipling. Oh yeah, it's like they know I'm coming, baby. DGDC is coming through. Tax bracket just went up. Cyclists leaving the city, and I'm going in. All right, Islington, gotta make a quick left, turning right here, and then we should get spit out onto Royal York on the other side. Oh man, that was my turn. That's funny. The Kingsway. I was supposed to turn here. Whoopsies. I lost my speed. I lost my speed. All right, now we're gonna be on Royal York. And we got bike lanes all the way down to the lake. Lots of new roads for Eric, which I like. Stepping out of my comfort zone. Yeah, we're still in a neighborhood whose tax bracket isn't the same as mine. People watering the roads. Why? Oh, we got a subway station now. Royal York. Oh, it looks like we're approaching Blua. Should take the subway and go downtown. Keep going straight. A little kick coming. Why do people do this? Why do they ride on the wrong side of the road? He's getting dropped though, I'll tell you that much. The Queensway. All right, we'll cut across the Queensway here and then down to the lake. Oh, we're gonna go past one of my favorite restaurants. Actually, let me rephrase that. My boy's favorite restaurant and dessert place, side by side. I'll show you. Here it is, it's coming, I think. Right here on the left, the Italian flag, Mama Martino's, and Tom's Dairy Freeze. Yeah, this is my boy's favorite restaurant, and I love it. So good, so filling. Grandma's in the back, making the sauces, and the pasta, fresh. Like, what more could you ask for? Park lawn, let's keep going. You can start seeing the condos, all those condos. And then downtown is this way. And it looks like the Honda Indy's going on this weekend. So we might get to see some of the track. Where's my son? Another day downtown with crappy weather. I'm not even gonna get a nice picture. That's kind of shitty. It's so cloudy today. Streetcars. There's the Humber Bay Bridge back there. We'll hit that on our way out of downtown. Bike. Bike lane. High Park right here. I guess you can call it Toronto's Central Park, quote unquote. Oh, we got a lot of cyclists up here. Where are they going? Getting ready for a group ride. Damn it, I kind of wish I was on a group ride. All right, let's head down to the lake. Let's jump onto the Martin Goodman Trail, head over to the downtown core, and then we'll turn her around and make our way back home along the lake. It's just too bad there's so much cloud cover today. Like, why? That actually blows quite a bit. No nice sunrise photos, man. Hopefully I can jump on a train that's leaving the city. That would be sick. She made her boyfriend bike beside her. Hold my hat, hold my hat. Love it. All right, let's go. We gotta quickly get downtown and then spin it around. You wanna know that you live in a different tax bracket? You belong to the Boulevard Club. That's how I know you live in a different tax bracket. Just a little club right off the lake. I don't know, take your boat out for the afternoon, play some tennis, do some funky things like that. A lot of ladies on their bikes today. There she is, the CN Tower. Welcome to the 6. Let's get a little closer, get you into the action, baby. The exhibition right here. That's the practice facility for the Raps. 2019 champs, baby. We got that ring. Leaf fans? Sorry, not sorry. But I got it in my lifetime. Season ticket holder since 08. And then over here to the right is abandoned Ontario Place over there. And like I said, exhibitions to your left, where we have the Canadian National Exhibition every year. That means one thing and one thing only, that summer is over once it starts. There's the track right there, guys. There's a turn. Everybody turns into there off of Lakeshore. But yeah, there's the Indy racetrack right here. Zoom. Pretty cool, eh guys? Indy goes right through the streets. I'll tell you, the downtown residents are not happy about that, that's for sure, because it causes a lot of traffic. But it is what it is. A couple ladies caught me talking to myself. But yeah, Indy this weekend. Zoom, zoom, zoom down Lakeshore. Pretty cool, you can see a lot of the teams and the tents back there. The start-finish line is over there. Ice cream! I can't remember what those are called. I mean, I know, but I'm gonna butcher it, so I don't wanna butcher it. There's more of the track. That's where they come down from. And then they go zoom, right down the lake. Heading over to Queens Quay. And then we'll stop in front of the tower and then turn around and head home. No time to go to the pier today because my dumb ass slept through my alarm clock. And I lost probably a good 15-20 minutes of ride time. T-Dot, baby. Queens Quay. Green. Billy Bishop Airport to the right. It is very sad that there's no sun today. Dropped. Spadana. There she is, guys. T-Dot. Yeah, it's just too bad the weather is super cloudy today. All right, we're gonna just quickly take a picture and then boogie oogie back home. Got to be home by 8 and it is 6:23. It's gonna be kind of tight, especially if I want to try to get 100 Ks in today. It's gonna be very, very tight, especially if I keep dilly-dallying here. Okay, we're done being a social media whore. Plug the GoPro back in. All right, let's go home. Hopefully we can catch a train on Lakeshore and ride all the way back to Sauga. Let's get out of here. Let's see if we can make it home by 8. 6:25. Smell you later, Queens Quay. We straight up got a car in the bike lane here. Of course it's a black pickup truck, of course. Back to Exhibition Ontario Place. And then the Humber Bay Bridge. And then Lakeshore. And then straight shot home, straight shot home. Princess Gates right here. The X, the X, the X. Fast like an Indy car. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Cameraman probably up there. Oh, traffic must be a nightmare here this weekend. That's why you don't drive downtown, man. Hotel X has got some pretty sweet balcony seats over there. Sheesh. I bet you everybody's staying in that hotel. Drivers, etc. There's all the team stuff right here. And then you got BMO Field back there too. And then yeah, look, some grandstands. And then this is the right turn back into the X. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. You can watch that on TV this weekend. Well, when this video comes out, it ain't this weekend no more. No more, no more, no more. All right, say goodbye to the X. Say goodbye to deserted Ontario Place. Say goodbye to T-Dot, baby. We're heading that way towards Sauga City and home. Heading back home, baby. Just about to roll up on 50 Ks. Riding for about 1 hour, 40 minutes so far. Already went by the airport. Already went downtown. Time to head home. And see the fam when they wake up. And get me coffee. I want coffee. Say bye, exhibition place. See you later. And then there's the OVO practice facility for my wraps. Like I said, 2019 champs, baby. Never take that away from me. Holy Jesus freaking Christ, this squirrel made his decision way too late. That pool looks good. I wouldn't mind jumping in that. Like right now, everyone's getting up, getting their workouts in. The lake is nice and calm this morning. That's Lakeshore behind us right there. It's gonna be a madhouse later today when people can't get past the Indy. Alpacones. That's a good one, I'm not gonna lie. Made me chuckle. Humber Bay Bridge coming up. All right, leaving Toronto. Smell you later. Alligator. Heading over to Mississauga. There was the boyfriend, girlfriend couple where she made him come out with her on his bike to be the support car. I love it. That's love right there. That's love. Yeah, everyone's looking at me like I'm a whack job. I am a wacko jacko. I am talking to myself in a camera and I don't care. Yeah, I'm making a YouTube video. I still kind of care, but I don't care. Japanese food, Wheels and Beans, Pita Express, coffee, milkshakes. Yeah, I could go for some coffee, like right now. It would be really nice to catch a train. All right, say goodbye to the Martin Goodman Trail. We're heading over to the lake shore, Watering the streets again. No idea I was coming. All right, oh, my buddy lives in this condo here. Actually, I can see his balcony. Johnny! Johnny! I'm gonna text him later and be like, bro, if you heard a random stranger yelling Johnny at 6:43 a.m., that was me. Still gotta hit every little positive ascent like we're on Zwift. Hard, baby, hard. We got streetcar action up here too. I haven't seen streetcars on Lakeshore for a long time. It's been under construction for a while. Whoa, seagull. 7-Eleven, baby. Eat trash, ride fast. Gas station, food cyclist. A couple of titas going to work. You know how I know she's a tita? She was wearing scrubs, going to the hospital. Still trying to catch this streetcar here. Streetcar! Ding, 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 ding. Oh, back to Royal York. We were on Royal York earlier. Here's where it meets the lake. What is with dudes and not wearing lids, man? I've broken at least 3 helmets and they saved my watermelon every time. But hey, you do you. If you want to eat it, you can eat it. Oh, we got some cyclists. Come on, baby. Easily we'll catch them, I think. LCBO on strike. No liquor for you. Kush Corner beside the Domino's. Pretty smart. Beaver bike. I wonder if they got beavers or bikes. Ooh, Roti Hut. Lots of good food here, man. Kebab house. Captain's Taste the Crunch. Kung Fu tea. Bubble tea ride. Butcher shop. Bombay on the lake. Calabrese pizza. Still working on those 2 guys. Doggy styles. Pet services. Love that. tracks, streetcars. Dropped. Almost reached the end of Etobicoke and Toronto. Morning.
Morning. I think I saw you on YouTube, man.
Oh God. That's hilarious. Yes, you probably did.
Yeah. Do not get drunk cycling.
I can't believe it.
That's cool.
That's too funny. Can I ask what what'd you see?
I think I saw your gravel race.
The Hell of the North?
Yeah, that one.
Okay.
And
So more of the real life stuff.
yeah, I saw your good stuff a little bit.
Okay, cool, interesting. Where are you guys heading today?
We're going Niagara and back.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That should be a good day for you guys, man.
Yeah, I've got
Dairy Cream, another awesome little dessert spot. Happy to give these guys a little bit of a pull down the lake. They got a big day coming up. 250. Niagara and back. Kind of jealous. Almost into PC. Port Credit. Oh, actually we are in PC now. Still can't believe that's how the guy knows me. That's two jokes. Morning. I still can't believe you rolled up and just told me you saw me on YouTube.
I saw the
That's just too funny.
I saw the Supreme helmet that gave it away.
Ah, shit.
How many people have that?
Not many.
Yeah.
That's too funny. All right, boys, I'm taking off here, so have a good ride. Be safe. Leave a comment or something. Say hi.
I'll follow you on Strava.
Take care, guys. Have a safe ride. Too funny. Too funny. Too fucking funny. All right, let's go home, baby. Train! I get so excited for trains because I pretend I'm like Kawhi and Caden. They love trains. My boys love them. All right, we're heading up Mississauga Road now. Back into Mississauga proper. That was fun. Just flying down Lakeshore, catching those two dudes, heading to Niagara. Pulled them along a little bit. I mean, I probably was going a little faster than they would have liked since they got 280 on taps. What a big day. Kind of jealous. Very jealous. Full gas home as always, man. Leaving nothing on the table. Dead legs once I get home. 69.9 Ks, baby. 2 hours, 17 minutes, 36 seconds. One of my favorite golf clubs. #1 practice facility in Mississauga, but private. Mississauga Golf and Country Club. Top notch, top notch. Saga Road, Saga Road. Oh, that animal is not alive. All right, come on, Eric. Let's get home. We're gonna dip down here on Mississauga Road and then come up near UFT, University of Toronto, Mississauga campus. And then we're gonna climb College Way up to Ridgeway. And then we'll see what time it is and keep making our way home. That is a dog. That dog saw me coming from way back there. Dundas. All right, I don't think we're making a hundo today, which kind of sucks because we woke up late, damn it. Cyclists, let's see if we can get them on Confed. We got carrots. Guy's commuting on a Pinarello. Glen Erin, getting closer to home. I don't know why I'm racing myself home. I don't want those two coming back. God, I'm a loser. They got dropped, they ain't coming back. 7:30, I only got half hour left. 80 Ks. I need 20, man. I don't think it's happening. Gotta squeeze in as many Ks as I can before it's time. What a pretty sweet morning today. Just not enough sun. Too many clouds. Otherwise, temp is good. The vibes are aight. The wind, basically none. We're back on Ridgeway now. Getting even closer to home. We're basically West Mississauga now. Any more west, and we're gonna be in Oakville. I'm gonna jump back up to 10th line, which means we're home basically. 10th line is home. Well, I'm glad I ran into a couple of cyclists on my way back. Of course, some of them knew who I was. Shake my head. And then just some others were a nice carrot to keep that motivation going. Not let up, no coffee rides. Just cross Burnham Thorpe. You go left for the WHP, William Halton Parkway, and into Milton and Oakville. But like I said, we're heading north, making our way home. Oh, come on, turn back to green. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Green, 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 green. Yeah, baby. Oh yeah, last highway to get over. The 403, and it's dead. There's Saga City, City Center, descending into Ridgeway Plaza. Eglinton. Well, it looks like it's gonna rain, man. Well, I'm done. I got my workout in. I got my ride in, bitches. Home stretch. It actually looks like it's gonna rain over there. 7:39, 21 minutes left, E. Tight chain all the way up 10th. Home stretch. Erin Center. 10th line still nice and quiet this morning. Hopefully I get nothing but green lights all the way. Tight, tight, tight chain. Up this incline. What are the chances this guy likes cyclists? Green means go. Oh, we got some Fight Club members. 6 a.m.ers, cyclists. Looks like we got ECC also lining up here. Used to be part of them. They just take off too late. They're just getting ready to go. I'm like done. Yeah, it doesn't work like that when you have little children. Can't start at 8, man. No let up till the end, man. Pressure, pressure, pressure. You can rest when you're done, Eric. Coffee time after. Coffee time after. Oh, we're home, man. 2 more lights, 3 more lights. 88.8. Super lucky. Super lucky for the Chinese. We got fire trucks. That's for the boys. All right, boys and girls. Thanks for joining me this morning on a little adventure around the city, around Saga City. And then the 6, a little CN Tower Sky Dome action, and then straight shot down the lake back home. Man, absolutely phenomenal morning so far. Can't complain, except, like I said, a little cloudier than I would have liked. Would have been nice to get some good pictures. Oh, excuse me, instead of cloudy ones. All right, boys and girls, you know the drill. You do you. You set your own goals. You smash them. You move the goalpost and you smash them again. You don't worry about them headers or those keyboard coaches unless you'll pan them. And don't forget the don't get dropped cycling rules. Rule number 1, have fun. Rule number 2, keep it spicy. And rule number 3, don't get dropped. All right, boys and girls, you know the drill. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell button, leave a couple of comments below. And until next time, don't get dropped, all right? Take care, everybody. Final stats, 258, 90 clicks, 30 kilometers an hour, 52K max, 210 average, 922 max. Damn, 922. I couldn't get 1K there. It felt good though. Normalized 247, TSS 234. Woo! There's the rest of the good stuff if you want to see it. All right, that's it.